you are making, the effort you are making, and the research will bring lot of changes in the conventional curriculum. So now, thank you for giving time to us and sharing your concept of Gurukul system and 3L concept. And I'm sure that logic, learning, and life skills that exactly need of the modern time, and you have inculcated everything into curriculum. So I'm sure the student passing from your campus will be a complete citizen and will contribute to the nation. So now we have a next speaker is Dr. Mahesh Balakrishnan, Development and Regional Manager of International Baccalaureate. Is the international program, and we call the international board in India. And he'll be sharing how his global curriculum can save India's future and how Indian student can utilize their 100% potential through learning the IB programs. So, welcome, Dr. Mahesh Balakrishnan ji.
Thank you, Virendra ji. I hope you can hear me and you can
Yes, sir.
see my screen.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So I will speak, I'll make my presentation aligned with the theme is how can we
Yes.
integrate the inspiring stories of Man Ki Baat. Okay. I hope that's okay. Okay. So it begins with the IB continuum of international education. And I was listening to the previous speakers, okay, Pankaj ji and Srinivas ji and others. And what I can see is many of the things what they are talked about and the NEP itself aligns very beautifully with the IB programs. From the IB mission statement of making the world a better place through education, through developing lifelong compassionate learners, and that starts from a very early years, from 3 years of age onwards. And we talked about student agency or learner agency, giving children choice, voice, and ownership, where students have that freedom, and the facilitator or the teacher, okay, can get an essential agreement done with the students. So if it's say learning stories or listening to music or be it colors or mathematics, right? The students can agree what they want to learn, so the learning becomes better. And these inspiring stories are always present in our curriculum and the way it is delivered. And I'll share with that with specific examples. So we have the wonderful IB learner profile attributes, which has this very nice fitment for the inspiring stories. So I can tell you that it's already happening. I'll give a classic example. We have a school in Patodi, uh, where they talk about the Paramveer Chakra awardees, right? And every student sees it on a daily basis because they have a wall of the Paramveer Chakra awardees in the school. So this is the kind of impact it can make. We have the program standards and practices, which deliver the international standards. We have the primary years program where you have the national languages, you have the leaders, everything can be built around the national curriculum or the changes to it. But I'm saying that that alignment is already present. Same for the middle years. For the DP, what happens is you have community service as an integral part of the creativity action and service. This is not happening now. It has been happening for many years. Schools are working with villages. Schools are working with sports persons. So they are doing wonderful stuff. So I think so for us that it becomes much more easier. And I will talk about the careers program as well, where it is mentioned about having multilingual or regional commentators, right? The Prime Minister mentioned about it, and that is something we have. So somebody wants to be a TV broadcaster in a vernacular language, or to do the sports, or could be in the military service or water conservation. All these are part of our programs. Okay, because it is focused on learners, it is inquiry based learning. Okay, with the NEP talking about discoverers, driven by conceptual understanding, so that the learning is not dependent on rote learning. We build skills, very important 21st century skills, cognitive thinking, working in teams, storytelling, so on and so forth. Multilingualism, we are geared for it. We have always had a second and third language component. Intercultural awareness is very important. Global engagement, and rigorous content. So this is the IB learner profile, which has been there for a long time. Inquirers, knowledgeable, thinkers, communicators, principled, open-minded, caring, risk takers, balanced and reflective. So all these are also the traits you would see in people who inspire. And I think it's good that we have this because inspiration can do wonders. We are all aware of that. I will just take a few things which are mentioned in the Mann Ki Baat February 21. Catch the rain where it falls, when it falls. So this is part of our transdisciplinary learning, okay, where people talk about uh, environment, protecting the environment, and also the sustainable development goals, which has also been mentioned in the budget. And now, India is a signatory to it. So it becomes very important that we talk about aspects which are important to our societies, our communities. It's very important. And in traditional curriculums, it is talked about, the solar system is talked about only in science. Here it could be used to teach language, to do conservation, environment, and so on and so forth. That's the beauty. Sant Ravi ji, Sant Ravidas ji, okay, taught us keep working, do not expect anything. Again, this is a part, very integral, both in our primary years program, our middle years program, our DP as well, where we have aspects of community service. Okay, we call it nowadays creativity, action, and service can be done throughout the continuum of education, right from early years all the way to grade 12. So that's the beauty about it. I will take another example, and these align very well with our transdisciplinary teaching and learning and the themes. Okay, you should read about Indian scientists and understand the history of Indian science. Indian science. Okay, the learner profile, the inquiry, the curiosity. Okay, is can all be delivered around the national curriculum or the state curriculum, and it's very easily done. It's being practiced in many IB schools. If somebody wants to become an IB school or somebody is keen to know how IB schools are doing it, drop us a mail. We'll be happy to talk to them. Okay, Atmanirbhar Bharat, not just government policy, it's a national spirit. Again, demonstrated and executed very nicely through our learner profile traits. And Virendra I'll be ending very soon. So
Yes,
just
sir.
wanted to share
Yes,
on
sir.
the multilinguals and IB career program. My one big regret is that I've not been able to learn Tamil. That's what the Prime Minister said.
Yes, sir.
And our schools give you the freedom that you could learn Marathi, Bengali, Tamil, or any other language. If you want to, if you have already learned those languages and you want to learn French, Spanish, Gujarati, you can go ahead and do it. Don't worry about it.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to promote sports commentary in regional languages,
Yes.
do our IB Careers program. It's a wonderful program. You can live your passion. We have Mr. Harsha Bogle as a wonderful example of somebody who did his management, but went on to become a successful commentator in cricket. So that is something which is very common and I think can be done. So I think these are very inspirational stories, inspirational people, and this could be done in our own communities. Okay, our schools have been doing it, is what I would like to say. Okay, and if you want to contact me or connect with me, these are my coordinates. Please reach out to me.